Really, guys? Really? This is what I wake up to? There's the culprit right there, I bet you. Let's go over to the neighbor's house. They're cool. They feed animals. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Look at the old Kelly shirt. I ain't wore this in years. Actually, it's been about 2.5 years since I wore this shirt, actually. But, welcome. Why does my light never comes on when I come in? There we go. Now we're shedding some light on the subject. Alright, guys. So, I'm going to start this morning off with a nice shower. Get myself woke up, get going. I have been lazy all morning. Girls wake up, thumping and beeping. Boom, 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 boom. Oh well, that's my girls though. 2 different types of music. They just got their speakers. Oh, I think I'm gonna get out of here, go to the library for a little bit. Then go see my mother-in-law. Then go see my mom, and then I'll come on back to the house. Excuse me, guys. I'm trying to get out and do something today, but I'll see. See what goes on. So, anyways, welcome, guys, Sin City Soldiers. That's Jdogg with Jdoggs Vlogs. Let's get it going. Guys, it's freaking cold out here. Look here, little Smokey's about to come out. Got a little cigarette. What's up, Smokey? Yeah, you see it. Can't see her through the door just yet, but she's wanting to come out. She's a little smoke fiend. Anyways, putting air in the old tires. The only bad thing about this car is just sit every day, put air in the tires. But it's got a slow leak. I had the thing looked at. No leaks in the tires, pressure tested, water tested, they don't know where it's coming from. They think it's around the seal of the chrome, which is deteriorated.
Bob the Builder. I can fix it.
We can fix it.
I'm Bob the Builder. I can fix it.
So got to head down here to the dam and see what it's going to look like. Now, I haven't been down here in a while, and from where it's not been raining, I want to see what it looks like. You know, so I'm out here by myself. Ambry went with her mom. She picked her up at my mother-in-law's. You know, of course, got the babies. Haley's at her boyfriend's. So we're just going to see what's going on out here. I got nothing else to do except go back home and edit video or watch TV. When I want to watch TV, I'm kind of done with TV. I mean, TV, there's really nothing to watch. I got my mother-in-law's clothes back there to wash, but you know, TV is just kind of boring anymore. It's really, I don't really feel like I have fulfilled everything I've wanted to fulfill in life, if you know what I mean. And you know, I wish that I have, like I wish I felt more fulfilled, but maybe one of these days, maybe if I stay busy enough, I'll finally find myself 100%. You know, and my family kind of completes me, but it's kind of like, family can be stressful. Not that I don't love my family, because I love my girls, man. Don't get me wrong, my girls are my life. But sometimes it's just kind of like, really? I mean, things you would never even thought of growing up goes on a daily basis now. What is that shit about? So, I don't know. Going out here right now to the dam. We'll see how low it is. It's a house out here, if you'll see it. Look at this. And it's kind of run down. Got an old pool and an old trampoline, and I mean, it's a newer double wide. Just kind of just sitting here doing absolutely nothing with it. I wonder if it's kind of for sale or, I don't know. It looks like it's been there for about 5 or 6 years. Nothing's been done to it. It's kind of falling apart. So houses like that, man, I've always wanted to go in and fix them up, and you know, it's always been my passion. That's been my dream. Take a house that's run down and looks like crap and build it back up, fix it, make it look new. I mean, that's the kind of stuff that I enjoy. If I ever get the chance, I'm gonna do it. I mean, like, really, I'm gonna do it. All right, let's get out here to this dam and see what's going on. Got nothing else better to do. Here, guys. Yeah, I felt I wanted to come down here for a little bit, man. I clear my head some. Just enjoy it down here. It's peaceful, it's quiet. Look down there, it's all exposed down there. I'm gonna go down there for a little bit and possibly shoot across on the other side over there. Just want to kind of clear my head a little bit, man. I mean, family's busy. Just kind of wanted to get out and do something. Y'all look right here. Look at this big old huge catfish, guys. Hold on. Kind of give you an idea how big the catfish are out here. Look at that. This fin is actually still moving. I think it's at the verge of just completely dying. But the thing is huge. Well, I think somebody might have got a little excited. Finished doing what they were doing and forgot to put the most important part back on. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just saying. Huh, go figure. Look at the random graffiti. Smoke till you croak. Happy, happy, happy. Happy's is in a baggie. A lot of this is 2015. This is, I survived my birthday night, 2015. It's 420 somewhere. I guess that's a makeshift leaf. Class of 80, dropout. Just random. The wetter, the better. Always loved graffiti. It's always got a history behind it. Yeah, look at the water level, how bad it's dropped now from the last vlog that we did. Slowly watching this water level go down. But it is wintertime, so after a really good snow, I guess it'll fill this thing right back up again. But only time will tell. I wonder if I did metal detecting down here, if I'd find anything interesting. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments. Let me know what's the weirdest thing you guys have ever found while out exploring or out in your little favorite place that you go, just to collect your thoughts. I like to travel, but I also like the fact that I can go to a specific place to get away that I enjoy, that's something dear to me. And this place is kind of my place. Picking up the little girl.
Molly, you want a spoon?
A spoon. Taco night.
Or do you want a fork?
That's Nick Nick's.
Yeah, that's mama.
My mama.
Let's take a video of it.
Okay.
Somebody's being videoed.
Where do you want to eat at?
Guys, stop it right now.
Sit down.
Okay. Yeah, sit on the big carpet, okay?
We're
Bye-bye.
watching Central Intelligence, Nick.
No, we're watching.
Well, I think we're going to watch Central Intelligence, and then you can play the game after the movie.
No, that's me.
Up with Jeremy next to
What the heck is going on here? Look at me. Oh, hey, wait. We're both elves. We're both elves.
Still wrapping presents. this like, hold on. Use just a gun. Yeah, where you going now, boy? It does. Flip the light on and go. Go. So how we do?
Good.
We got some kills, didn't we? See how loud it is even with the silencer on it? So should we just take the silencer off?
Yeah.
Because apparently our silencer didn't do it very good. Take it off. Alright, so where is our light at? Go get our light. Where's our light for our pistol? Where's our light for our pistol?
This.
Look at it. Yeah. Now we got the light saver. That's a combination right there. Alright. So how was our war plan? Did we win? How was the battle?